guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different than all the previous videos that I have on my channel, because recently I've bought a bunch of stuff from Dusan and they are mostly home decor. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first one, as I can see, is going to be a set of mugs, I believe. Let's see. So in these, I like to sip my green tea and chamomile tea at night, and it makes me, feel very cute and gives me that girl vibes, to be honest. So that is why I got these mugs. And मुझे ना ये cute cups and all collect करना बहुत पसंद है, like बहुत पसंद है, as in बहुत पसंद है. Every day I think I open my Pinterest at least twice, and मैं पूरा scroll करती रहती हूँ to find all these cute kind of mugs. So I looked around a lot of websites to find these kind of cups which were under my budget, and I finally found these. So these ones are like great. If you want these, they're of great quality. This is not as thin as I thought it would be, and इसकी quality काफी सही है if you can listen to the sound of it. So for me, this is a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna love drinking my tea and coffee in it. तो the second thing जो मैंने मंगाया है, oh god, I have a dog, guys. If you see dog hair anywhere, please. मैं actually भूल गई हूँ ये क्या है. I think ये भी उसी कैटेगरी में आता है, Pinterest stuff. Let's see क्या है ये. Oh yeah, this is a pasta plate that I had ordered. So I like to eat my food in like cute plates and stuff, because I don't know, it makes me feel good, because I'm trying to eat healthy because मुझे पतला होना है, and मैं actually healthy खा रही हूँ अभी कुछ दिनों से घर पे. So I mostly eat ramen and pastas in it, but I sometimes also make rice bowls that you get in restaurants and they are served in these kind of plates. So I make my own rice bowls at home and it's like cute, and I like having that. Okay, ये big बड़ा वाला देखते हैं पहले. Also, I think I should get those aesthetic knives that people use to open their boxes, but अभी के लिए फिलहाल यही है. So I ordered a couple of vases from their website as well, and like these are those cute ceramic ones. So I've seen it everywhere and I wanted to create a cute corner near my bed to be here. मैं actually दिखा रही हूँ, like आप लोग देख पाओगे, but so I really like these kind of stuff because it gives my house, that minimalist, cozy kind of a vibe. So I really like those kind of vibes, and I'm trying to create a cute corner over here. तो उसके लिए मैंने ये मंगाया है, and इसके साथ मैंने एक और छोटा वाज मंगाया है, so that they go together as a pair. So I might just put some flowers into it and make it look cute and aesthetic with some candles on top of a side table. But aren't these cute? Like, मुझे ऐसे चीजें बहुत पसंद है, if you cannot guess that already. And I am a little too obsessed with these kind of stuff. But yeah, I will put in a clip where I show you guys what my inspo and what I actually wanted to do with this. So that's that. So the next thing that I got is, I think this is also a coffee mug. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is. So a little story time about these cups is that मैं अभी recently एक cafe में गई थी. If you don't know about me, I love going to cafes. So when I went to that cafe, I saw these stackable cups over there, and I was like so obsessed with it. So I looked around a lot of places and I finally found it. And these are like stackable, so आप इसको stack भी कर सकते हो, and या कि किचन में ज़्यादा space भी नहीं लेगा, so your mom wouldn't shout at you for taking a lot of space for your cups and coffee mugs. You can also make a set of 6 of these and like serve your coffee and you know, black coffee, normal coffee, even chai if you are a chai person and you drink this much of chai. Also green teas and herbal teas, they would also be great to serve in these. So that's that. Now that I am opening all these boxes, मैंने realize किया है कि मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही cups, mugs and plates order किए हैं, but I'm not complaining. I just don't know. I like eating in cute plates and using cute mugs to have my coffee, and it's just, you know, it makes me go to the cafes less and helps me save my money, which I can later spend on these. Okay, let's see what's this. So for the longest time, I did not have dinner plates. I used to eat mostly in my normal plates, but sometimes when I'm feeling, you know, a bit like I want to eat in a nice plate, I did not have any. So then I went ahead and purchased a set of 2 dinner plates, finally. To be honest, I don't like those floral kind of prints on plates and stuff, because I just don't know, that's not my kind of an aesthetic. So I mostly go for these kind of plates, and I actually got a set of 2 so that if I break one, I will have one more. Let me take it out. Yeah, so these are the plates that I got. Okay, what else? So the next thing that I got, मैंने उसको already खोल लिया है. I'm sorry, किसी का birthday था and we got a छोटा सा cake, and उस cake को, you know, रखने के लिए I needed a plate, and this is the plate that I got. Yeah. So this is also a mini quarter size plate that I got, which is white in color and has some golden freckles on it, if you can see. So the main reason I got this plate is because I like eating desserts. I'm a dessert girly, to be honest. Even on days when I'm eating healthy the entire day, I just want a piece of dessert. And I like having my dessert in cute plates, if that makes sense for you. And I did not have a cute plate because I broke mine. So then I went ahead and got one for myself. Please don't judge me, guys. I love eating my food in cute plates. So another thing that I got is this rug that I want to put beside my bed. And so I want to create this cozy corner like I said earlier. So उसके लिए मैंने अपने Pinterest board से थोड़ा inspiration लिया, and it had a cute rug over there. So I went ahead and bought myself a छोटू सा rug, which will go there, and then a mini table at the side, and उसके बाद I will put these vases on top with a candle, obviously, which, by the way, is the next purchase. Along with the rug, the last thing that I got for myself is this candle. So this is the last thing that I got. Also, if you don't know about me, I am a person that loves to light candles. So when I was thinking of putting a cute cozy corner over here, I thought, why not get a mini candle for myself? And I looked around a lot of candles. These are hand poured soy wax candles, and these are of great quality, even if it's vanilla scented, because I love the smell of vanilla. They had other options as well. So that brings us to the end of this haul. I hope you guys really liked this haul video. This was the very first haul video that I shot, and I hope you guys like it. We are going to hit 5K very soon, so thank you for that. And I hope you keep supporting me like this, and I hope I keep posting more of these videos for you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, and please let me know your favorite item out of all these things. Thank you guys for watching it. See you in my next video. Bye.